Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the wind direction on the AccuWeather application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. You go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the second option, the settings. Here you can find the second option, the wind direction, and here you can select cardinal or degrees. And if you want to choose the degrees, just click that and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.